Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we want to talk about how this website can help to improve your trading results. Okay, how can this website, I'm going to show you how it will be able to improve your trading results. The quality of the tools you use in trading sometimes or most times will help to determine whether or not you are going to be a successful profitable forex trader. Okay, so that is why I want to show you this website that will further help you to be a profitable and a successful forex trader. And the name of this website is investing.com. All right, this is the website called investing.com. This website has several features that, if you use them effectively, it will help to improve your trading. All right, so last time in my previous video where I talked about how to trade high impact news releases like a pro. This was one of the websites that I mentioned forexfactory.com, baby pips, fx street, also investing.com. But there are many other features that this website has that would further help you to succeed as a forex trader. So that is why I want to today focus on this website called investing.com. So this website called investing.com, first of all, what you need to do when you come to this website, you need to sign up with on this website, and it is free of charge. All right, it is free to sign up on this website. Just go to the register, you sign up with your email address, and you have a login details. So when you get into this, when you log in, you will be able to access more features on this website. If you come on the website without actually signing up, you might not be able to have most of these features you are seeing. Several of them you may not have all actually. So that is why I advise you to actually sign up on the website investing.com. So I want to share with you about 3 things that will help, that you can never actually do on this website, that you can actually incorporate. This website can help you to incorporate in your trading. All right, so first of all, as I told you last time in that video that talks about how to trade the high impact market news releases, this website actually this is one of the features that this website has, whereby it can help you to track economic events. All right, so how do you do that? You come here, you come to news, you come to the to this menu bar, click on news. When you click on news, you then click on when you click on news, you click on economic calendar. All right, you click on economic calendar. So we're on news now. When you click on news, you now click on economic calendar here. So if you click on economic calendar, it's opening up. So when you actually click on economic calendar, you will now be able to see the economic events. Is opening up, please. You will be able to see the economic events that are available on a particular day or a particular week or a particular month. Okay, you scroll up, you see the economic events. For example, now you can see these are the economic events that are here. But you see, I've already actually added some filters so that I have predetermined the economic events that I want to see. So I want to show you how you can add filters. So when you click on news and then economic calendar, you come here to filters. All right, you come to filters, we click on filters. So when you click on filters, you now select the countries that you want to get their news from. You want to get the news, so you select the country. Here now I've selected Australia, I selected Canada. Okay, I selected the Eurozone, France, Germany. I also checked Italy, Japan, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and then United States. So these are the countries that their currency, their major currency pairs. These are the countries that has major currencies that actually we trade in the forex market. So that is why you need to actually check these currencies. You want to see economic events from only these countries. Let me go over them again: Australia, Canada, and Eurozone, Germany, France, Hong Kong, okay, Italy, Japan, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, and the United States. All right, so when you have checked all those ones, you now come to this point and click on display time remaining until announcement. So this will be showing you counting down on before the news event will release. So when you check this, this point now, this option of time, it will display the time. It will be counting down until the time is the economic event is released. Now further, you now scroll down further, you come to categories, check all of them, all the types. These are the types of news, all types of news from these countries. We need them, so you check all of them: the employment, credit balance, economic activity, central banks, bond news, inflation, confidence index. You check all of them. All right, so this is what you need to do. Now another thing you need to do also is to come to the importance. Want to look at what type of news do we want, or economic event do we want to be displayed on when we come to our dashboard, when we are looking at the economic calendar. You can add a filter on that. This one, there are about 1 star, 2 star, all right, and a 3 star, or 1 bull, 2 bull, or 3 bulls. Or okay, so I uncheck. I've already pre-filtered my own search, so that I'm just trying to show you what you need to do. So you will check these 3 stars or 3 bulls, 3 stars. These 3 stars has the highest impact. This will display only the highest impact news, okay, or highest impact, or the economic events that has the highest impact on the forex market. All right, so that is why you need to check these 3 stars. So after doing that, you click on apply. Here you click on apply. When you click on apply, you now when you click on apply, it will now add filters on the economic events that will be released, okay, for you. So as you can see now, for today, or rather tomorrow, the 16th of January, these are the economic events that will be seen, okay, and they see 3 stars. These are the importance, the level of importance of the economic event. 3 stars, okay, and this is the country from where it's coming from. This is the time which the event will be released on your own time frame, on your own time zone. So when you log on to this website, when you sign in, and it will be able to customize the time to your own time zone of your country. All right, it will customize the time. But if you did not actually sign in, it might not use your IP address. So you need to use your IP address. Okay, the website uses your IP address to be able to tell you the time whereby the economic event will be released, using your IP address in your own local time. So this is the news or the economic event. This is the level of importance, and then this is actually the time. All right, sorry about that. So this is actually the time. So this is one thing you can do. So from here, you can actually track to know if you are trading the forex market and you are a newbie trader and you don't want to see some volatility in your trade. Well, you can track and know when the economic event will release, and you might be able to close your trades and stay away from the market at that time, because most times economic events, when high impact economic events happen, sometimes market structure might be temporarily disorganized. All right, so not until everything settles, not until the rules have been settled, and now you can continue in your trade. But if you are like me and some other traders who know the right way to trade economic events, you might also know use this tracking method to know exact time whereby the economic event will be released, and then know how to approach the market in order to make quick profits from the market. So this is one thing you can use this website to do. I told you I'll be telling you 3 things. Okay, this is the first one, to track high economic events. All right, so the second thing you can be able to do on this website, there are many things actually, but the second thing, according to my list, that you can be able to do that is of importance to us, is that you can be able to also read news. Okay, if you are free, you can click on here, news, and click on stock market. You can click on stock market or forest news, commodity news, different types of news. You click on any of them here, or this point, it will show you. You can actually while away time or get more acquainted with the commercial and the financial market of the world, and to keep yourself informed, or to know what is really happening in the financial industry across the globe, so that you can make better financial decisions even in your trades. All right, so now the final thing, which is very, very important, the final thing I want to show you now, especially for even both newbie and pro traders, this feature will also help to improve your trading, and that has to do with market analysis. Okay, this website it has an inbuilt market analysis feature. Okay, it has an inbuilt feature that helps you to be able to it serves as an additional confluence to your trades. It helps you to be in line with the current trend of the market. So how do you know do that. You go to technical. On this place, come to technical section of this website. You click on technical. When you click on technical, you click on technical summary here. Click on technical on the menu bar, and then click on technical summary. When you click on technical summary, it will open up some form of technical analysis. All right, so it will open up some form of technical analysis. You can see now we have this is a technical section. So currently it is showing you this is showing you some these are US stocks that the on the 15-minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, the trend of that stock on a 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, hourly time frame, daily time frame. What is a strong buy? Look at now for Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones on the 5 minutes time frame, it is a strong buy. This is the summary. Okay, it actually uses moving average and several other indicators to determine the trend of that particular stock. This is S&P 500. S&P 500. Okay, whether it is this on a 15-minute time frame, this one is strong buy. 5 minutes time frame showing a strong buy. 15 minutes time frame showing a strong buy. Hourly time frame strong buy. Daily time frame strong buy. So when you have strong buys on these 4 categories, you should not be thinking of what selling. Okay, you should not be thinking of selling the market when this analysis is telling you that all those these are strong buy. Okay, so it should not be telling you should not be doing the opposite. Like in this one in Bitcoin now on a 5 minutes time frame is saying a strong buy, on a 15 minutes time frame is saying buy, on a 1 hour time frame is saying neutral, on a daily time frame is showing strong buy. So this can guide you to know which trend you are in. So you should not be doing a sell, you should not be entering sell trades when you are this analysis is showing you strong buy on all 4 time frames is tracking. But now this is just a US stock. Let us go to Forex market. So you click on Forex here. You click on Forex here. When we click on Forex here, it brings up, we click on Forex, it will open up Forex pairs for you. Okay, so it's trying to open up the Forex pairs. Look at Forex pairs. Okay, you have Euro USD. Okay, you have a GBP USD. You have a USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF. Also USD CAD, gold, and all the rest of that. So it shows you now, when you now have this, you can see now it uses moving average and multiple indicators to determine the trend of the market on the display time frame. It uses moving averages and in the several other indicators, a combination of many other indicators to actually determine the trend of the market. Okay, so when you know the trend of this market from this place, you don't need to be going in opposite of the trend, because the trend is your friend. This is beneficial to pro traders, but especially newbie traders. Okay, the trend is your friend. So you can see now, if I want to actually you can actually customize this time frame. Now how do you do that? You come to customize, click on customize here. You can add different other time frames you want. You can click on customize, click on customize. When you come, you can click on customize. You can actually change these 5 minutes. Look at the different 4 columns. Choose your preferred time frames. You can choose on the first column, you can choose another time frame. Okay, you can choose 5 hour, you can choose 15 minutes, 5 minutes. You can choose. So we want to leave it at a lower time frame of 5 minutes. On the second column, you can choose 15 minutes. As you can see here, you can actually customize the time frames. This third column, they can use hourly or 5 hour. Okay, I leave my own on hourly. On the daily is the highest time frame on this analysis, so you can leave this one. Okay, sorry, not daily, monthly here is the highest, so but we prefer daily. Okay, so you can see now also you can also you see on my own chart we have several pairs. I'm displaying only 5 Forex pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, gold, and USD CAD. But I can choose to add more Forex pairs from here. If I add more Forex pairs, I can add more Forex pairs that it will be showing me data on. Let me add GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY. Okay, click on that. All right, so I've added, you can see now I've added GBP JPY here. All right, GBP JPY right here. Let's add AUD USD, AUD USD. Okay, let's add Australian dollar versus the USD. You can see now AUD USD has been added. So now when I've done all that, I will now click on apply. I click on apply right here. So I click on apply. It will now customize both the time frames, and it will customize the time frames and also the forex pairs that I've chosen. All right, can you see? Okay, I have GBP JPY showing. Before it was not showing because I've added it, GBP JPY or USD showing as well, and also my time frames. If I had changed this time frame, you will see the new change right here. So what you need to do before you get into any trade, all right, is good if you're new, especially if you're a newbie trader. Come to this website, have it handy. If you are having strong buys in all the 4 time frames, please do not, you might look only for buys. If you're having strong sells, look only for what? For sells. All right, sell position. Now use your own market structure to look for sell patterns. Okay, market structure, look for sell patterns in that particular time frame. Are you seeing it now? So if you have strong buys on all time frames on this website, that does not mean you should just click on buy. No, you should now go to your chart and look for market structure, look for some chart patterns, look for demand and supply zones. Okay, sorry, if you're looking for buy, look for demand zones that you're going to trade from. All right, because the overall market structure from this projection, it is what? Buy. If you are seeing all strong sells from here, now it's now left for you to go to your chart and look for structures, look for market structures that are indicating for you to sell, or like a sell breakout, all right, or a supply zone, or a reversal sign, a head and shoulders pattern, double top pattern, or different kind of, depending on the kind of trader that you are. All right, depending on the kind of trader, no trading pattern, no trading system is bad, as far as that trading system is, you understand it, and it has a good high win rate. Okay, a good win rate. No trading system is entirely bad. All right, so this is what I say I should actually inform you about. So I know that you might be able to, this should be a good information to you. It will help you to actually improve your trading. So just try it out. It's very important and it's very helpful. It will help you to improve your trading. All right, so please, I want to ask that you please kindly subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe to this channel. More useful contents are coming on your way, actually coming your way very, very soon as we progress. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Kindly turn on the notification bell so that you can be alerted when new videos are uploaded. And please share the videos with your friends. Please comment on this channel. Let me know what aspect of forex trading or business in general that you want me to educate you about. All right, and also if you need me to mentor you privately on forex trading, on how to trade the forex market profitably. All right, I've been in this business, in this industry for years, so I've got experience on how you can become a successful forex trader. I have some keys and things to tell you. If you want me to coach you one-on-one, I don't believe in collective, I don't do collective mentorship. I do one-on-one mentorship. And why I do that, as I always said, is that I believe that each individual has their own unique learning rate. So I train you in accordance to your learning rate, your learning assimilation rate. I can train you for 1 month, I can train you for 6 months, or for 1 year, as long as you are assimilating, depending on your learning rate. I don't rush training. Okay, I take it easy and gradually with you until you become good in the business. I mentor you and I take you by the hand until you become profitable in this business. So if you want me to mentor you, my contact is in the description box of this video. All right, so I want you to keep on doing well, keep on succeeding, keep on prospering, and never give up on this business. It takes time to succeed. Okay, it takes time. Do not give up. Every successful forex trader is a losing trader who never gave up. Every successful forex trader is a losing trader who never gave up, who continued to persist until they succeed. All right, so till I come your way next time with another useful content, I wish you the very best and God bless you.